Grab the motherboard though. That's like.
Just from the sides. It's literally just.
Oh yeah, cut that beauty open.
Yeah. Okay. I can't open it with one hand.
Big review transition.
I don't know if I'm going to take it out of the bag.
No, you will.
Whoa.
Oh geez, it's scraping.
Oh.
It's fine. It's plastic. Oh, the carbon fiber's cool.
That's actually sick. What CPU do we got, Tyler? You haven't even been listing any of the parts.
Got the Ryzen 5 with processor with Radeon
Vega graphics, which we will not be using because we have this boy. Oh. Look at that.
Is there plastic?
Let me see. Why are there two things in there? Isn't it
just
Because there's a sticker.
Of course. All right.
And then here's the
board.
fan that should have thermal paste on it. So
Good. If there's not, we're kind of screwed. We're gonna use toothpaste instead.
I mean, that's what you used in your laptop. Like this, and gently place it in the sockets.
Is that the right triangle?
Yes.
Yes.
And once you place it once, you don't want to take it out. Right there. Wait, now push it forward a little bit. There you go.
It fell.
It's in.
It's in. It's gamer certified. So we're good.
We're good,
I'm
guys.
a gamer. Never want to say that statement again.
Can you open it?
I don't think I can, man.
You're making me really nervous. That's right above the motherboard.
I believe in you.
There we go.
Did it say
The
that?
Dame 2 slot.
Yes, the Dime 2 Cosita.
Slot.
Yeah, but the thing is, they're not labeled. So, oh wait, Dame Codosita 2.
Dime 2 Cosita 2.
DIMMA 2 is right there.
Dame 2 Cosita 2.
But are we sure that applies to this motherboard? Should we check the instruction manual?
No.
Yes.
Why would we check the
Wait,
instruction
where
manual?
is the
Probably
instruction
back
manual?
in here, we didn't think this through very well.
We kind of missed half
Dump
of
it all on the ground. Hurry.
Dude, the IO shield.
I don't know what any of these are.
Oh.
Okay, throw it on the ground. They're...
Right here.
Okay.
That boy.
Memory, shmemory, memory.
Okay,
It just says
showing you
memory in
how
a
to
bunch of
put it in.
languages.
Oh yeah, just as memory. Let's see. You got to read all of them. Ty.
Memory, Spetcher, Memor, Namakardibe, Papimic.
Are you sure about?
Oh.
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 It's in.
You did it.
Hands off.
All right, now we got screwed in.
Do you know? Remember, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
Okay, lefty tighty, righty loosey. Okay. Oh, that's a good way to.
That I just.
We're so dumb, Ty.
Look, right there.
Okay, it's all
Snap that in.
snippety snap.
Yeah, Jacob.
Wait,
Look, coming in clutch with
Guys.
the IO shield.
Yeah,
Guys.
IO shield, the most interesting part of the computer.
Excuse me. We're good.
It's good. It's good.
Guys.
It's good.
We're good. All right, let's
It's
move on.
higher pitch when the IO shield isn't fully put in.
Well, we're good. Let's see.
I want you to observe something really quick. I just want you to know that it is bulletproof.
Bulletproof.
Wait, what do you
So
mean?
if anyone decides to shoot my power supply will survive.
Okay, make sure this is on the off setting.
It is.
Is
That-
it on the off setting?
Oh, wait, is 0 on or is the O on?
You're
or
dumb.
Is the O off?
The O is off.
Okay, then put.
I mean on.
Okay.
Shut up. Stop blowing me. Just like put it.
Wait, what do you mean? No, that's not too high.
Okay. I believe in you.
Slide it in there.
It's no. It should go in really easy.
Excuse me.
There we go.
There we
Oh
go.
yeah. All right, so we've managed to screw this in. Oh wait, no, we haven't screwed.
We haven't
this
screwed it in. We
We've
put it in.
but now we gotta screw it in. There's RGB in this case, so you're about to get like 80 more frames than you would have normally.
Dude,
because we have-
cool.
We have color. All right.
Dude, no way.
It's gonna light up your whole world. Let me tell you.
Part.
Now we gotta plug in wires.
You gotta wire it all up.
Okay. So now we're putting in the graphics card. Turn that off. Done.
Right.
Done.
Done.
Done. Done.
No, you get the lows, then I get the lower lows.
What?
Done.
Done. Done. Done. Done. Done. Done. Done. Done. Done.
Push it.
Push
it in. Lift it higher if you have to.
I can't because of the U.
HDMI, DVI.
Good job.
With
this is
quad.
This is a quality first.
That looks better than my
PC
computer.
build.
Look at the cable management looks.
The cable
almost
management is
professional.
spicy. Okay, let's go plug it in. True.
Set. Oh,
Oh.
it's not on. Got it.
It still
Is your
doesn't.
mouse and keyboard plugged in?
Boom.
Oh. The power strip's on now.
3,
2, 1. Oh! There we go.
That looks so sick. Wait, is the monitor on?
Listen, wait.
Bro, is the monitor on? Everything's spinning?
Listen,
Look
you
at that
can't
fan.
even hear it. You can't even look at.
Everything's spinning.
Wait, listen.
Wait.
Actually, that sounded kind of gross. Not gonna lie.
Monitor on. Do you
No,
press
the
the
monitor is gonna.
No, the monitor is not on. Okay, we got. Is the mouse? The mouse is not on.
Okay.
Turn them.
HDMI 1 is active, so it
Good.
does sense
So it does
something.
sense it.
Into Windows
Wait a
with this.
Oh, blue screen.
Yep.
Windows.
There's the Windows.
Easy hit next.